This is a 12-pack set of premium gift bags. And look how beautiful they are. And you're going to get a set of 12 of them just like this, and they're decorated on both sides. And another nice feature is they have handles as well. Perfect for carrying gifts to your friends and family or for your office party too. And they all also have a ribbon in the front as well. These are also very easy to assemble as well as close too, because they all have a hook and loop closure. These are perfect to fill up with your favorite treats as well as smaller gifts too. Really saves time instead of wrapping. And look how adorable they are. So you're going to get 4 of these red ones, which are a cabin with Santa and its elves. You're also going to get 4 of these, which is Santa Claus with a snowman, and it says Merry Christmas. And this one is a little village with Santa as well on this side, and this side has a snowman with the village as well. Super adorable, and even the sides are also decorated as well. Here's a close-up of what the gift bags look like. And here is the ribbon attached. And this is the Velcro closure that's included. Very easy. So this is the front, and this is what the side looks like, and this is the back. This is what the green one looks like. It also has the scalloped edging right there, very pretty decorated. And here is the front, as well as the side, and the back too. Here is a close-up of what the blue one looks like. This is the front, and here is the side, and this is the back. The nice thing about this, when you give this to a gift to somebody, they could even reuse it next year as well. And you're going to be receiving 4 in each color for a total of 12. These also measure 10.6 inches by 7.5 inches by 3.5 inches wide. Now let me show you how easy it is to assemble. All you're going to do is open the flap, and then you're going to open the bag like this. And then once you open it like this, push it out on the sides, and ta-da, it's open. Then you can fill it up with your favorite goodies, either in tissue paper or cellophane. And then you just close it up and it sticks all by itself. I was sent these from Prex Tex, and I think they are awesome and really is going to save time for the upcoming holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.